Good morning, my name is Karen Milena Lopez Barrero and then I'm going to present the concept of climate change from perspective of Mexico. The extent that population growing, at the same time issue needs of consume for a better quality of life for the humanity. If good science, industrialization, deforestation, and evolution of agricultural activities together with the large-scale production every day get growing the quantity of greenhouse gases than they are accumulating in the atmosphere to such an extent of affect considerably the planet. In the last years, because of the accumulating of greenhouse gases, they were to change so abrupt that it has caused the poles to melt considerably, the sea level rises, the scarcity of weather, the extinction of a species, among other aspects to great importance that are attributed to the largest predator on the planet, that is the man. The United Nations General Assembly for the first time adopted Resolution 4353 in 1988 in view of the concern that this phenomenon will present in the population the future and involved the intergovernmental group of the experts of climate change as the main person in charge of the scientific and socioeconomic knowledge of climate change. Over time, the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate change was created in 1992 in order for countries and commit to reducing greenhouse gas emissions, where the first period of commitments began in 1928 and ended in 2012. The second commitment period is currently underway, which began on January 1, 2013 and ends this year. Mexico is positioned in one of the developing countries most committed to supporting the confrontation of climate change and is one of the pioneer countries in environmental regulation, as it has been demonstrated through the establishment of the general law of economic balance and protection of the environment, as well as various local and official laws dealing with vitally important issues such as public health and the approach to environment sustainability. Going to be a nation that not only cares about human rights but also about sustainable activities to maintain to establish economy within its territory. Having said the above, it should be noted that in this country climate change is of utmost importance at a global level since being located in the middle of two oceans makes it more exposed to meteorological disasters due to the increase in temperature, endangering the safety of its inhabitants, therefore must take radical measures to prevent public calamities. Therefore, it is an important that the states united and work together, not only implementing policies of care for the environment and sustainable development, but also taking actions to establish the global climate and not cause future disasters. And although the international level agreements have been developed in which each nation is committed to mitigating environmental impacts. It is not enough science is necessary to cultivate the population and in caring for the environment and develop a sustainable economy. As possible solutions, Mexico seeks to achieve: first, implement technologies and allow mitigation and adaptation to climate change. Second, a transparent transparent framework that evaluates the contribution of each country to comply with global commitments to mitigate the emission of greenhouse gases. Third, to promote the reduction of social inequality through the creation of programs that guarantee the protection of social rights. And fourth, uh, link the productive sectors together with the agencies that provide finances to promote investment in sustainable transformation projects. Thank you.